A savory, tender, juicy, quick and easy instant pot chicken recipe. This is a perfect meal for busy weeknights. Hi everyone, my name is Rhea. I hope you're all doing well. So today, I'm going to share with you the easiest chicken recipe using the instant pot. Alright, let's get started. For the ingredients, I have the list in the description box below. Kindly check na lang. Alright, so for the instant pot, i-add natin dito yung manok. Alright, so dito gumamit ako ng chicken thighs, bone-in and skin-on. Mas recommended ko na bone-in and skin-on kasi mas flavorful. Nag-add ako dito ng salt, freshly cracked na ground black pepper, smoked paprika, fresh, finely chopped na rosemary, bottoms ng spring onions, yellow onions, and garlic. Yes, gagamit tayo dito ng dalawang klase ng onions. And 3 sprigs ng rosemary. Gagamit din tayo dito ng soy sauce and chicken stock. Recommended ko na chicken stock para flavorful. Meron na akong recipe nito. Ililink ko sa description box below or sa iCard button. And then, stir lang, we're just gonna stir it quickly para ma-evenly distribute yung ingredients. And then, i-close natin yung lid ng instant pot and set the valve to sealing katulad ng nakikita nyo dito. Importante yan, huwag mong kalimutan. Alright, so we're going to cook this on high pressure for 25 minutes. Ang bilis lang talaga nito, pwede rin 20 to 25 minutes. Okay? And then, you can manually release the pressure katulad nito. At kapag bumaba na yung metal na nakikita nyo, yan. Ba't ang bilis ko magsalita? Tapos na yan. Okay? Pero sa akin, may time ako dito. Naghintay ako ng 15 minutes. More 15 minutes. Pero kung wala naman, then manually release the pressure. And it's ready. So nakikita nyo dito, merong sauce na natira. Pwede kayong gumawa dito ng gravy, strain nyo yung liquid. Pero since quick and easy ito, kasi nagmamadali tayo, naglagay lang ako dito ng slurry. Ang slurry ay mixture lamang ng cornstarch at tubig. So, it depends on you na kung gusto nyo ng thick or mas thin na sauce. Dito, konti lang yung nilagay ko kasi gusto ko pa din ng hindi masyadong thick. Okay? And then, pwede nyo itong ilagay doon. Kailangan yung ilagay sa chicken kasi ito yung masarap. Ito yung isa sa mga recipe na sauce pa lang, ulam na. I hope na i-try nyo ang recipe na ito kasi napakadali lang. Dump nyo lang sa instant pot and you're good to go. Meron ng meal. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys take care.